One of the key things that people ask me when I'm working with them, or they share with me, is um, how time management really doesn't exist in their world, and they don't know how to manage their time. When I was 18 years old, I'm 50 now. My dad signed me up for a Franklin Planner time management weekend class, and I became obsessed with time management. And I teach it a lot when I'm working with the salespeople, the managers, and the C-level execs. I work from solopreneurs to Fortune companies, and I keynote all over the country on it. And one of the things that I talk about, or one of the things that I ask during my talk, is I say, hey, can a few of you show me your calendar? And one of the things that I see is there's really nothing in 95% of most people's calendars, maybe an entry or two. And the key to the time management is attention management and becoming a master student of your calendar and using that calendar in a way that it becomes an extension of your brain. And so I want to give you one tip from my time management and my attention management keynotes, which is the importance of time blocking everything that you do. But when I talk about time blocking, it's about time blocking and thinking about it in minutes. Our calendars are set up so we're wired to think about things in 30 and 60-minute increments. And that's not true. I like looking at my calendar in minutes. And so I'm either putting things in my calendar in 1 minute increments or 5 minute increments or 15-minute increments. So I want you to kind of really start utilizing your calendar in a way where, as an extension of your brain, everything you need to do, put it in your calendar, but put it in minutes, not in 30 and 60 minutes. Have an amazing day, and always think big.